looking at IB setups in EXAS and WHR to the upside and match to the downside. Most likely, I'm looking at the upside more than anything else. Let's get that up here. Got to refresh that. CME opens up at 91.77, right in that range.
Oh, the huge reversal. Alpha Bravo.
So that is setting us up for, like I said, probably mid-market right where we got in. Paul, I want to make sure that you're clear on your question. You were asking about Goldman and JPM. Remember, those are day trades. We are not supposed to hold those overnight. Those are each up about a little bit over 1.25%. Do not hold day trades overnight. I'm not going to slap your hand, but you know the deal.